This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Karen Pitkin. Two-story home in Tamarron Heights adjoining University Elementary grounds. The seller just installed handsome LVT flooring throughout the main level and is including additional quantity should the new owner wish to refloor the bathrooms. From the roomy foyer, one enters the dramatic living room with vaulted ceiling. Built-in bookcases are set in niches on either side of the fireplace there, and the north-facing windows offer views of the lush backyard. The formal dining room/study is flooded with sunlight. The spacious breakfast nook easily accommodates a large dining table and connects with the new rear deck. The kitchen includes a new stainless refrigerator, handsome cabinetry, and Corian counters. There's a big half bath and laundry en route to the main floor primary bedroom suite. That includes a walk-in closet and full bath. The upper level has 3 bedrooms, an open study space, and a full bath.